Hello everyone, now I will introduce a disassembly method of Magic Series wooden boxes. When we receive the goods, first, we need to check whether the overall structure of the wooden box is complete. If the wooden case is damaged or unexpected, please contact the sales and logistics personnel. Next, I will officially introduce how to dismantle. It is recommended to prepare some tools before removal. First, gloves and vise and E-word screwdriver. First, you need to wear protective equipment. First, we need to remove the upper cover. Then the upper cover button. He has two forms, inside buckle and outside buckle. When opening the button, first put the screwdriver is inserted between this button and the gap of the board. Upward tilt. Make a button. The same is true of this button. After inserting and protruding, if this button is not completely straight, get a vise to help him straighten. Take out the upper cover directly after breaking it straight. Take out the upper cover directly after breaking it straight. Remove the front panel or the rear panel. Then after all the 4 weak plates are removed, take the equipment out and place it at the designated position. Unpacking has been completed. When we receive the goods, unpacking the goods and put the products in one place. Below is a pedestal of the equipment. After placing the pedestal, it should be noted that when we store it for a long time, the lower fixed wheel of the pedestal, a supporting foot cup, rotate to the bottom of the support. Use foot cup for landing support. The wheels of the equipment cannot be supported for a long time. Weight of our equipment. After the pedestal is placed, place the equipment body above our pedestal. Also, it will be necessary to fix between the pedestal and the main body by screws. Then it will be introduced later. First, let's briefly introduce one of our seats. Power on and usage. The power socket of the pedestal is behind our pedestal. After inserting our line, energize the switch. We will start work directly. He will try to keep the bottom of our pedestal in locker. Keep low humidity. Convenient storage. Consumables used in later use. And unused consumables to be saved. Above the table is our drawer. The drawer can store some common tools. There are some other goods. Above him, it is officially a placement of our main equipment. Of course, the same is true for the main equipment. The power supply of the main equipment is connected to the main body of our equipment. Plug the device into our power system. Now press our power on button for 2 seconds. After waiting for the device to turn on, open the door of our equipment body. The opening mode of the door of the equipment body is press the lower platform of the door. Open the door after the door pops open. For transportation in equipment, prevent our equipment from bumping, a collision with objects. The items below us are: make a slight press on the platform. Fix it on the internal print head of that device. Use ties. Make a binding. Prevent the print head from shaking during transportation. First, we need to take out the articles under the platform. We can try to take it out directly. If you can't take it out directly, what we need to use is the tool interface. Click Tools. Enter the manual interface. Click the axis to move up. Release the tool under the platform. And some complementary consumables. And 2 paper manuals. Electronic instructions and software. Save in SD card in toolkit. Next we need use pre-cutting tools for tools. Relieve binding tape on the print head. Release print head. After removing the towel on the print head can move freely. What we need to do next is to equipment subject and us. The equipment of the platform is fixed through cooperation. Prevent the subject from appears accidentally during subsequent use. Shake or sleep condition. Find the desk drawer or in the toolkit. For multiply 14 round head screw. Some of fixed print devices. Hole locations for fixing screw holes of the lower pedestal. Hole position directly below. If the position deviates, the equipment and pedestal can be minor adjustment. After fixation, a stable structure can be obtained. After the 4 screws are fixed, the equipment body and pedestal can be closely connected. Don't worry about it in later use. The main body slips due to collision and other reasons. After completing all the above steps, one unpacking of our equipment can be completed. Turn off the device.